Edward Glendinning was just 17 years old when he enlisted. He spent years serving in France as a private and then as an acting corporal. In September 1915, Glendinning and his infantry battalion went over the top, capturing a German trench before an attack forced them to withdraw across no man's land. As we withdrew over the ground that had been captured that day, the sight was incredible. It was just like a flock of sheep lying asleep in a field, and it became evident that the regimental stretcher bearers, who at one time had been bandsmen, had been unable to cope with such a huge number of casualties. Quite a number of the men were still alive, and they were crying out and begging for water. They plucked at our legs as we went by. One hefty chap did grab me by round both legs and held me, and I was going to take the cork out of my hot water bottle, out of my water bottle to give him a drink, and I was immediately prodded on behind by someone saying, get on, we're going to lose touch with the column in front. We shall get lost."